Hey rose lovers! Here's something that might surprise you. There's actually no such thing as a truly black rose in nature. But some rose varieties come so close with deep shades of red, purple, and maroon that they look black, especially in certain light. These mysterious beauties have become symbols of rebirth, mystery, and new beginnings, not just darkness or farewells. So today, I'll show you the 10 most stunning black rose varieties you can grow or admire in 2025, and trust me, some are so dark, they'll make you look twice. Let's dive in. 1. Black Baccara Rose. This is probably the most famous black rose in the world. Its velvety petals look dark burgundy to almost black under low light. It was created by French breeders and is loved by florists for its elegant look. It grows best in full sun and slightly acidic soil that helps deepen the color. 2. Black Beauty Rose. This one's a true classic among dark roses. It has deep crimson petals with a velvety texture and a strong, sweet fragrance. The color darkens as the bloom ages, which makes it perfect for bouquets that mature beautifully over time. 3. Black Velvet Rose. Soft, silky, and dramatic, the name fits perfectly. This variety has deep maroon petals with blackish undertones. It loves cooler weather. In warmer climates, the blooms appear more red than black. Pro tip: morning sun and afternoon shade will keep the petals richer and darker. 4. Black Jade. A compact rose perfect for small gardens or containers. The blooms are a deep red that can look nearly black, especially in spring or fall. It's a low-maintenance variety that blooms repeatedly, so you'll enjoy flowers for months. Fun fact: it's one of the darkest miniature roses ever bred. 5. Midnight Blue Rose. Okay, it's not exactly black, but it's close enough to be part of this list. It's a deep purple rose that looks black in evening light. It has a spicy clove fragrance and grows in clusters. It's a great choice if you want dark roses with a touch of mystery and scent. 6. Burgundy Iceberg Rose. If you love dark tones with a twist, this one's perfect. It's a descendant of the classic iceberg rose, but with deep plum petals that shimmer in sunlight. It's hardy, disease-resistant, and blooms continuously, great for beginners. 7. Black Magic Rose. This one is a florist's dream. Its long stems and nearly black petals make it perfect for arrangements. The buds start dark red and turn almost black as they open. It's a strong grower and can bloom multiple times a year with proper pruning. 8. Tuscany Superb Rose. A vintage beauty. This heirloom variety dates back centuries and has rich crimson petals that appear nearly black at the center. It has a light fragrance and grows into a charming shrub, great for cottage gardens. It's proof that dark roses have been fascinating people for generations. 9. Halfeti Rose. Now here's the mysterious one. The Halfeti Rose is grown mainly in Turkey, near the town of Halfeti, where the soil and climate give it a unique, almost black hue. It's rare and doesn't stay pitch black everywhere. Outside that region, it appears dark maroon. It's often called the Rose of Mystery, and you can see why. 10. Souvenir du Dr. Germain. This old French rose is romantic and moody at the same time. It blooms in rich, dark wine colors that can look black in shade. It prefers cooler, shadier spots. Too much sun fades the color. It's also known for its incredible fragrance, one of the best among dark roses. Extra tips. Here are a few quick tips if you want your roses to look darker and healthier. Soil. Keep it slightly acidic, around pH 6.0 to 6.5. Light. Morning sun, afternoon shade helps preserve dark pigment. Temperature. Cooler climates bring out deeper tones. Pruning. Regular pruning keeps the blooms large and vivid. Fun fact: in flower language, black roses don't just mean endings. In modern symbolism, They often represent new beginnings, transformation, and strength. So if you gift one, it might just mean a bold new chapter. Alright, rose lovers, which one of these dark beauties is your favorite? Would you grow a black rose in your garden, or do you prefer the classic reds and pinks? Let me know in the comments. I love hearing your thoughts. And hey, if this video helped you discover a new favorite variety, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss more garden guides like this one. Thanks for watching. Keep growing, keep blooming, and let your garden stay as bold as a black rose.